call to ensure that the tree cover goes beyond even 28%.
Apisas mag thieth kod mago magarita kod apisas mag Doho e boma ma Kapsabet owang'o gunde maromo 12 mag nyasore e od thieth mar Ufa ma Kapsabet. Ma en tok Doho ma Kapsabet ogolo chik mar wang'o nyasore manomaki dwe mar 11 mar 2021 e gwenge mag showground e chuny boma ma Kapsabet. Nyasore manengone nyalo romo siling milion mathoth nokan e tesend Obila ma Kapsabet.
So the process that we are doing is because of a court order that ordered us as a department concerned with the destruction of any product that is considered to be harmful to human health. That's what we are doing today. What we will tell the members of the public is that drugs such as bang, which we are destroying now, is harmful to human health. And anywhere where bang is found should be reported to the police. And no one should use these substances. Many young people have lost their lives. Many young people have become zombies because of these particular drugs.